Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a very simple and very convenient trick that lets you download apps from the App Store without entering your Apple ID password on iOS 26. If you're tired of typing your password every single time you install a free app, this method is definitely going to make your life easier. Apple has updated a few settings in iOS 26 that allow you to approve downloads using Face ID or Touch ID, and once you set this up, your iPhone will no longer ask for your password for free apps. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone. From there, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode, then enter your device passcode to unlock the options. Inside this menu, look for the section labeled iTunes and App Store or App Store under the Face ID settings. Make sure the toggle switch next to it is turned on. This tells your iPhone that it should use Face ID or Touch ID to approve App Store downloads. Next, go back to the main settings page, scroll to Media Purchases, tap it, and then choose Password Settings. In this area, you'll see a section called Free Downloads where you'll find the option to turn off Require Password. Simply switch this off. With this one change, your iPhone will stop asking for your Apple ID password when you try to download any free app. At this point, everything should be set up. Open the App Store, pick any free app, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, whatever you want, and tap the Get button. Instead of asking for your Apple ID password, your iPhone will now instantly confirm the download using Face ID or Touch ID, and the app will start installing right away. It's fast, smooth, and saves you a lot of unnecessary steps. However, if your iPhone still keeps asking for your password, there's one more area you should check. Go back into Settings, tap Screen Time, and open Content and Privacy Restrictions. Inside this menu, select iTunes and App Store purchases, and make sure that installing apps is set to allow. If this option is restricted, your phone may still require extra verification, which could cause password prompts to appear. One important thing to remember is that this method only applies to free apps. Downloading paid apps or making in-app purchases will still require your password or Face ID for security reasons. Apple does this to protect your account and prevent accidental purchases. And that's all there is to it. With just a few quick settings, you can completely remove the hassle of entering your Apple ID password every time you want to install something. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with any other iOS 26 tutorials you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.